You said something awkward in a meeting 5 hours ago, and your brain is still forcing you to watch the replay. Or maybe you had an argument and now you're stuck in the shower inventing better comebacks. This is called rumination, and here's the hard truth. Telling yourself to just stop thinking about it is actually making the loop stronger. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to share you a simple psychological technique that can short-circuit that loop and help you get your peace of mind back. Think of your brain like a vinyl record player. When you're ruminating, the needle is stuck in a scratch, playing the same painful half-second of audio over and over again. When you get angry and tell yourself, "Stop thinking about it," it's like pressing your thumb down harder on the needle. It doesn't stop the music, it just damages the record and makes the sound even louder. To stop the sound, you don't fight the needle. You lift it and move it to a new track. In psychology, this is called a pattern interrupt. To perform a pattern interrupt, you need 2 steps. Step 1 is creating distance. Right now, your brain might be telling you, "I am a failure," or "I completely ruined that conversation." And you're treating that thought as if it were a solid fact. Instead of saying, "I am a failure," force yourself to say, "I am having the thought that I am a failure." It sounds small, but neurologically, you just stepped outside the loop to observe it. Step 2 is the physical override. Rumination only exists in the past or the future. To break it, you have to pull your brain back into the present moment by flooding it with real-time sensory data. Do this right now. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can physically feel, like the texture of your shirt, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This works because your brain physically cannot process that much real-time sensory input and run the anxiety loop at the same time. You just lifted the needle off the record. If this brought you even a little bit of quiet today, subscribe to ClarityVerse. And let me know in the comments, what's the one thought your brain won't let go of right now? Let's break it together.